apply the laws of proportion, namely our invertendo, componendo and dividendo sequentially in the each of the following proportions. So here this proportion, it is our given 2:3 proportional to our 8:12. That means this part is equal to our this part. And we need to show our invertendo, componendo and dividendo. This one we need to show. So here it is given our 2 ratio our 3 proportional to it is our 8 ratio our 12. So invertendo, first of all this fraction will write 2/3 is equal to will be our 8/12. So we have written. Now we will apply our invertendo formula. Invertendo formula means it is becoming reciprocal. Here this formula is our invertendo. Before explanation we explained this one, invertendo, componendo, dividendo. So invertendo means our what? If our a by b is equal to our c by d, then this one also our correct. Which one is our also correct? Reciprocal one also. B divided by a is equal to our c divided by d. So here our this one is our b, 3 is our b. So this b will be now our a. That means reciprocal 3/2 is equal to our 12 will go our numerator and numerator our 8 there, 8 will be our denominator. So our invertendo finished. Easy formula it is. Now next one is our componendo. Componendo also easy. Componendo will see same thing, same fraction we need to write first. Then componendo, it is our this formula. If our a by b is equal to our c by d, then our what will be our a plus b divided by b is equal to c plus d divided by d. This one also our correct. So here our this b we are adding with a. So here b is our 3. So 2 plus 3. And here our d1 we are adding with our c. D is equal to our 12. So 8 plus 12. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And 8 plus 12 is equal to our 20. Divided by our 12. So componendo also finished. Dividendo means we are subtracting this one. Dividendo formula is our subtraction. Down one denominator will subtract from our numerator. So 2 minus 3 and 8 minus 12. Now next part. So 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to will be our minus 1. So minus 1 divided by 3. And 8 minus 12 is equal to our minus 4. 8 minus this one is our 8 minus 12 is equal to our minus 4. Next, both sides our minus are there. This side also our minus, this side also our minus. So minus will be our cancel. So will be remain our 1/3 is equal to 4/12. 8 number 6. So question, this one is our given. So we write p plus q divided by our p minus q is equal to will be our r plus s divided by our r minus s. So invertendo reciprocal, down one will be our, that means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be our denominator. This one is our denominator. Denominator will be numerator and numerator will be our denominator. So invertendo finished. Componendo means our what? Denominator we need to add with our numerator. So here our this one is our denominator. This one we need to add with our numerator with this one. So we are adding here. Same this part also like this. Then here I will see p plus q, then plus our p and plus minus q. So q minus q and our plus q will be cancelled. So will be remain our p plus p is equal to our 2p. Similarly this part also will be remain our 2y. And down our this first question is our p minus q and here same to same will be remain r minus s. Dividendo same like this, we need to subtract only from the numerator. Denominator 1 we need to subtract from our numerator. So here see it is our denominator. So this one will subtract from our numerator. So this one. And here also same like this. So after this see p plus q and minus plus minus our p and minus will be our plus q. So here p will be cancelled, will be remain our q plus q is equal to our 2q. Similarly this part will be our 2s. So this one our finished. Question number 9. Show that a, b, c, d will be proportional. These four numbers our will be proportional if our this one are proportional. Already given this part is our proportional. So it is very easy. See, since this part is our proportional, therefore this number will be divided by this number is equal to will be our this part divided by this part. Now cross multiplication will do. This one into 2a square plus 3b square, this part into this one, and this part 2c square plus d square into will be our 2a square minus 3b square. Now we'll multiply with 2 and this 2. 2 2 is 4 and a square c square. And first part our finish, then with this one this multiply. 2 3 is 6 and here it is our minus and here before nothing means our plus. So plus minus will be our minus. And 2 into 3 is equal to our 6 and a square d square. So this one. So first this part our finished. Now plus 3b square into our 2 plus 2c square. So 2 into 3 6 and b square c square. And here plus here minus, so plus minus will be our minus. 3 3 is 3 into 3 9 and b square d square. Similarly this part also will multiply, you will get this one. Here you will see 4a square c square, here also 4a square c square. Before it is plus sign, nothing means plus sign, before it is our plus sign, so it will be our cancel, this 2 will be our cancelled. Because how, see 4a square c square, and if this number it is our in our right hand side, to right hand side to left hand side if we shift this one, their signs are changing. So sign is our plus here, so it will be our minus, so 4a square c square. So this one will be our cancel, same things, so result will be our 0. So this one our no need to write, so directly we are cancelling this one. Next our any other thing is similar or what? See 9 b square d square, here also minus 9 b square d square, here also minus, here also minus, so this 2 will be our cancel. So what will be remain here our this part and this part, and here will be remain this number and this number. So here positive one we are taking here 6 b square c square, and this one we are shifting this side, so it will be our plus 6 b square c square, because before it is minus, and this one we are shifting this side, so it will be our plus, and already this one is there here. Now we will add this one, 6 plus 6 will be 12 b square c square, here also 12, so both sides 12 12s are there, so 12 will be our cancelled. Now next part it is very important here, because we need to show a b c d our proportional. For this region here we will keep here s square divided by this b square will come. So here what remain our this portion, c square remain, so c square, now this portion will come our divide, that means we need to divide c square by our d square. Now see both sides our square are there, s square also b square also is equal to our c square d square. This one we are able to write like this, a by b whole square is equal to our c divided by d whole square. Now both sides our square is there, same square, so square will be our cancel, so it will be remain our a by b is equal to will be our c by d, means our what, a by b divided by our c by d, that means our a b c d also our proportional. Therefore a b c d are in proportion. Question number 10. If our a plus b plus c plus d, that means this part is equal to our this part, then we'll show a divided by b is equal to our c divided by d. This one we need to show. So already given in our question this part is equal to this part. So here we need to arrange this one nicely to prove this one is our equal. How? This one, see, we'll write first a plus b plus c plus d, this part divided by our this part, divided by our his, see here this part, and here our remain in this side, our right hand side remain our which part, this one, so this one will write here, and here this one we divide this one, we'll divide this one here. Now this one will arrange. Why we are doing this one? Because we need to make a formula, componendo and dividendo. This formula we need to apply here. After this componendo and dividendo will remove, then automatically slowly it will come our a divided by b and c divided by our d. Because here the group of 4 numbers, here the group of 4 numbers, all are 4 numbers group. These 4 numbers we need to show only 1 by b and c by d, this one we need to show. For this reason we need to arrange this one according to our formula, componendo dividendo. So here we are taking this one, a plus b plus our c plus d. Down also, denominator also, a plus b minus we are taking common, this one. So it will be our c and minus will be our plus d. Why plus d? Because minus we are taking as our common. Similarly in this side also, right hand side also we are doing same method. Now this one became our formula, componendo and dividendo. Componendo means our what? Suppose a by b. So plus will be our b and here will be our minus this one. Down will be our minus. So here see a by b like this is there. So this one we are able to write like this, a by this one like this, a, and plus will be our b and minus will be our b. This one is the formula of our componendo and dividendo. Means our what? If the fraction is our a by b, so it will be like this, a down also will write a, then top will write plus, down will write minus, and b is our denominator, this one top will be our plus and down will be our minus. This is the form of our componendo and dividendo. Now this became our componendo and dividendo. Now from this we are able to remove, because we are applying this one. Now we are able to remove this one, componendo and dividendo. If we remove this one, componendo and dividendo, then what will be remain? Our original fraction one will remain. That means a by b. This one will be remain our. So here a is our a plus b. A is our a plus b and b is equal to our what? C plus d. So here will be remain our this portion only. Similarly in this part also, we will remove this one. Now again we need to arrange this one. If we not arrange, then a by b will not get. To get this one, we'll see. First we got this one, this part after removing. Now again this a plus b will be our remain. Then a minus b, this one we are shifting here. And here now empty became a plus b, down our coming it is our c. C plus d already there, and this portion is came our a minus b. So here now top empty portion became, and down our c minus d. So from here, from these two groups, c plus d will shift here. So c plus d we are shifting here, and down our denominator c minus d remain. Now this one also our became our this what name, componendo and dividendo. A before only I show a divided plus, and here will be minus, and b and b. So if we remove componendo and dividendo from this part, then will be remain our a divided by b. So what is remaining here? A divided by b, and here will be remain our c divided by d. Therefore a divided by b is equal to c divided by. We already proved, we already showed this one. So here this one is finished. It is very easy. Question number 12. If our a ratio b proportional our b ratio c, proportional our c ratio d, if this one all our proportional, then we show that this part our proportional to this part is our proportional to this part. It is very easy. It is our. So given our this portion, it is our given in our question. So we are considering this one, a divided by b is equal to our b divided by c is equal to will be our c divided by b. We are considering this one is our k. So first we need to come from here. C divided by d is equal to our k. Cross multiplication, we are getting the value of c. If we do cross multiplication, that means c divided by d is equal to our k. K means down it is our 1 is there. So c into 1 c, and a into, that means d it is, c divided by d, d into our k, so d k. So value of c we got dk. Now will come our in b divided by c is equal to our k. B divided by our c is equal to our k, because all this one is our equal to k. So this part also equal to our k. Cross multiplication we are getting, it is our b is equal to ck. Again here c value we got here, c is equal to dk. So instead of this c we are able to write here dk. So dk into k, so k 2 times, it will be our k square, dk square. Now our last part, a divided by b is equal to our k. So a divided by b is equal to k. Cross multiplication, a value we are getting bk, bk we are getting, and b value will already we got from here dk square. So dk square into k. So d only one time, so d will be remain same, and k here 2 times, and here 1 time, so it will be our 3 times. So it will be our k cube. Now left hand side of this question, you see, left hand side it is our what? A is ratio our d. So a divided by d, and this one will be our right hand side. Right hand side it is our a minus b whole cube. Ratio will be our b minus c whole cube. This part is equal to this part we need to show. So first of all left hand side will take. So left hand side is our a divided by d. So a value just now we got from here, a value is equal to our dk cube. And down is our d. D value nothing is there, so same to same will be remain. Now here this 2 will be our cancel. D also one time, and here also 1 time will be cancelled, so will be remain our k to the power cube. Now right hand side. Right hand side it is equal to our given a minus b whole cube divided by our b minus c whole cube. So Q formula will apply here. A minus B whole cube formula over this one. And B minus C this one also same. Means our what? A minus B whole cube formula A cube minus B cube minus thrice AB into A minus B is the formula. This one is our formula. A minus B whole cube formula. So here A cube value will put here. A cube over dk cube and whole cube. Because this A value is equal to our dk cube. Dk cube. A value. A is equal to this one. And here it is given our, what given here it is our whole cube. That means our A cube it is our given here. So for this we need to give whole cube because here it is cube there. A cube for this region will be our dk cube whole cube. Similarly here B cube. So B value is equal to our dk square and cube there, so whole cube. Same as 3 into A value this one and B value here and A value here and B value here. From here we got this one, all value we put here. Down also same like this we are putting these values. Then we'll take out this one from the bracket, so we'll multiply this one. D how many times are there? 3 times, so it will be our d cube and k already q is there and again our whole cube it is. So 3 into 3 will be our 9, so k will be our 9 and d will be only 3 because d top nothing is there before. D like this it was there, k and like this. So d top only 3 and k top already 3 there, again another 3, so 3 into 3 will be our 9. Similarly all like this we did up to this much we did. Here we are doing this one. Now this part we need to multiply because this one into our this part. So 3 into our 3 d square k5 into our given it is dk cube minus dk square. So 3 into 1 here nothing means our 1, so 3 and d here 2 times, here 1 times, so dk cube and k here 5 times, here 3 times, so it will be our 8 times. 5 plus 3 is equal to our 8. Next our here minus, this one is our minus, here minus, so minus will be our plus and same multiplication we are getting. So down also same like this we are doing and we are getting this one. Now see, from this group top one our numerator, down one is our denominator. From numerator and denominator what we are able to take common, what is our common is there. See here it is our dq, dq, here also our dq is there, here also our dq, here also our dq. So dq is our all this 1 2 3 4 terms, it is our there common it is our. So dq we are able to take our common dq and another what things is there our common. Here k9, here k6, it is our k8, it is our k7, so smallest our 6, so k6 we are able to take common. So if we take this one is common, so from the first term dq already we took common and out of 9 6 times we will take common, then will be remain our 3 times, only 3 times, k3. Then our next part minus, here dq already we took common, this part dq already took common and k6 also we took common, then nothing is there, so minus 1 will be remain. Then our this part minus, it is our minus 3 remain because 3 we not took common, so that will be our 3 and dq already we took common, so it is cancel finished. Then k8 we took 6 times common, so out of 8 6 times we took common, then will be remain our square, 2 times will be remain, that means k square. Then our plus 3 remains, so we will write 3 and dq already took common and out of 7 times k 6 times already took common, so will be remain our only 1 time k. So like this top one from the numerator also will take like this common and from the denominator also will take like this common. So after taking common we will get like this. So from here you will see dq is our easy, that means same, so we will cancel this one and this part is our same, so this one will be cancelled. So numerator will be our k6 and down will be our denominator kq only. Then this one is our division and our base is our same, kk base our same, so power will be our subtraction, so 6 minus 3, so 6 minus 3 is equal to our 3. So left hand side is equal to our right hand side became, therefore our a divided by b is equal to our a minus b whole cube and b minus c whole cube, hence proved. Very easy.